Hello, dear students. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Syed Mustafa Khadrin 92. Here we'll be studying throughout the week. Daily, I'll be trying to upload one video.
On studies. Along with this, for refreshment, I'll be uploading journey and food blogs on weekends. Thank you. Remember your channel name.
At the rate Syed Mustafa Khadri 92. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe to get the notification of upcoming videos. And please do like to encourage my work and share with others so that others will also get benefit from this video. Today's topic is
Nature and classification of small scale hydroelectric power plant.
when you look at the nature of small hydroelectric power plant. Here the equipment technology is available to utilize the discharge as small as 200 liters per second. Head ranging from 1 meter and producing an output of 1 kilowatt with reasonable cost. So let's make it very simple. It is utilized, let's make it point wise. It is able to utilize discharge as small as 200 liters per second and head ranging from 1 meter, and it is producing an output of 1 kilowatt with a reasonable cost. Next we will be looking at the classification. Let me increase the size of this text. This is the heading. Next, let's go to the classification. Let's go to the classification. Classification of classification of small hydroelectric power stations. As per the central electricity, as per the central Electricity Authority of Authority and Bureau of Indian Standards. The small hydropower stations are classified as follows. Of course, this classification is made based on the different parameters. First case is depending on capacity. Depending on capacity. If you look at its capacity and the classification, let me draw a table here so you'll understand it better. First column, let's mark size. Second column, unit size. Third one, let's say installation. Size micro, unit size up to 100 kilowatt. Installation will be up to 100 kilowatt. Second size, it's mini 101 to 1000 kilowatt. Installation capacity will be up to 2000 kilowatt. Installation capacity will be up to 1000 2000 kilowatt. Two thousand kilowatt. Let's add one more row. Let me add one more row. 1 second. No, it's all right. Depending on capacity, we have three types: micro, mini, and small. Now, small one is from 1000 kilowatt, 1000 not 1, 1001, 1001 to 6000 kilowatt up to the maximum limit of 15,000 kilowatt installation capacity. Second classification is based on capacity. First one is on capacity. Second one is the depending on head, means height. Again, it has four type of hydroelectric power stations. Let's see. I think this table has to be deleted again. Need to draw again. Just a second. Yes, let me draw this table properly. No need to worry. It will come. Just I am drawing unique type. Yes. Ultra low head. Ultra low head. Below 3 meters. Below 3 meters. Low head. Less than 30 meters. Medium head. Between 30 to 75 meters. High head is above 75 meters. I hope you guys have understood this topic. Next, we will be looking at upcoming topics in next video. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Thank you. Take care. Let's meet in the next video.